What's up YouTube, ZB Basshead here, and got another how-to with a different amplifier. Sorry for the sound in the background, maybe I can move. It's the AC. My girlfriend just got back from the store, but yeah, grab this for a second. Okay, so you have a little itty bitty, tiny, small, whatever you want to say, amplifier like this one. And you come across with one set of RCAs, which are also known as for input, and where it says SENS, also known as short for sensitivity. And yes, you can see I have a mini Coolmaster fan, and it has like this cooling part already, but it's for summer days. Go watch my other video, I talked about it. And then you got your speaker input, but yet you have a bridged speaker input already, which I'm not using because they're taped in the bundle right there. And I already tested this out using the speaker inputs, works very well. And when you come across this, mine's set kind of in the middle. That's for like flat EQ right there, like no bass, no treble. It will have some, and then it won't. In the middle, well, I'll have in between. I'll have good sound for tweeters, but yeah, I'll have good sound for a little bit of mid-range bass. But if you want to turn it all the way left down, that gives it bass. Turn it all the way right, gives it more treble for the tweeters. But that's it. It's usually left for the mid-range bass, right for the high frequency for the treble for the tweeters, but mine's in the middle, so I have like good in between where I'm not gonna give my tweeters bass, and I'm giving it most high frequency, also known as treble, on whatever you have. Alright, if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, become Basshead Bro today, and any questions, I could most likely do the best I can to answer them. And yeah, there's nothing really much more to say, but yeah, peace. Go watch all the other videos I made.